Hello, I'm Ian Faraday from Repercussion Drum School, and this is the second lesson on the football paradiddle combo that I showed you in the first lesson. The first lesson was just showing the pattern, and what we had was a single paradiddle, a triple paradiddle, a quadruple paradiddle, and a double paradiddle. So it was like this. It was right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, right. So paradiddle, 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 paradiddle. So in this lesson we're going to take that pattern, which is great on its own, just on the snare. And what I'm going to do is put the accents for the right hand on the floor tom and for the left hand up on the high tom, just to give it a bit more of an interesting orchestration. So it's going to sound like this. A little bit more up to speed. Okay, and a bit faster still. Okay, hope you like that, and there'll be another installment on this paradiddle football combo coming up in lesson 3. All right, bye for now.